Today, let's broaden our perspective of reality by attentively examining what is on the inside. Good day, you creative, insightful, intuitive being. Matt here. This is day 25 of our 30 days of creative autumn journaling journey, created by the magnificent Marva Midkiff over in the art room. And today we are gaining deep understanding with our intention of insight. We have heard it many times. It is what is on the inside that counts. We may make our first impression judgment based on the look of something or someone, but seldom does that first impression hold deep truth, valuable information. If we want to make a true and creative connection, we must assess the outside without judgment, follow our intuition, and attentively examine, using our well-practiced listening and observation skills and our power of curiosity. What is on the inside? As we look to autumn for inspiration today, we know that autumn is the season of contrast and duality. Our practice is calling us to look at all sides of what appears in our reality. The inside and the outside, the dark and the light, the outer shell and the core of what we encounter or experience. Creatively speaking, there's a whole new world of insides to be explored. If you slice any type of fruit in half, you can see that the inside offers a whole different perspective. Before we dive into our creative journaling exercise today, feel free to repeat today's affirmation after me out loud. Viewing both the inside and the outside of who and what I encounter broadens my perspective. I understand more and connect more authentically by focusing more on what is on the inside. Okie doke. If you have your creative journal, whip it on out. Today we're going to re-engage our imagination so that we can gain inspiration from what is on the inside. So first, find 3 things that can be cut in half. Maybe you just want to find some images of these things, thinking of like fruits, like a kiwi or a pomegranate or a blueberry or a piece of wood with all of those cool grains inside. Whatever it might be, find 3 of those things and then use the patterns and the lines and the shapes that you see inside to create a journal page as you reflect on the inside of things. And just notice what arises inside yourself as you engage with this creative exercise. So feel free to hit pause and give yourself a moment to play with that. Wrapping up today's intentional session with a moment of gratitude as our intuition guides us in gathering valid information concerning the whole of our experience. What do you feel grateful for right now? Thank you so much for joining us on today's intentional session on insight and looking within. Please share today's session with someone who you think would be inspired by it. And we're curious how your reality broadens when you look inside yourself. Feel free to share your observations and creative musings in the comments or in our art room activity feed. Tomorrow, we're exploring art from a whole new perspective. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Until then, enjoy the day, enjoy yourself, and enjoy seeing and intuiting both the inside and outside of things, especially ourselves, so that we can better understand and more fully assess our reality. Peace, love, insight, 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 insight.